Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome back to this space where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We've been doing a series on the teachings of Jesus. And if you want more people to hear Jesus, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then please click the like button, leave a comment, share this video with as many people as you can. And if you haven't done so yet, now is a good time, to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. Why? Because you don't want to miss any of what is happening right here, 5 o'clock Jamaica time, every morning on YouTube.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 6 from verse 1 to verse 5. One Sabbath, Jesus did a walk through one wheat field, and him special follower them start pick some of the wheat, rub off the trash in them hand, and yam the grain. Some Pharisees see them and ask, what make uno a do what the law say we no fi do pan the Sabbath? Jesus answer them say, uno never read what David did do when him and him friend them did hungry. Or him go in a God house, take the holy bread and yam what the law say ungo the priest them forget, and I'll give him friend them some. Jesus said to them, say, the man where God pick, him rule over the Sabbath. And God what this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.